I'm Hank Dankerson. Well, Ontario curriculum continues to cause a stir, as this morning, thousands of Ontario residents gathered in front of Queen's Park today to protest controversial new additions to the primary math curriculum. Experts say it's all about the numbers, but many parents say that they don't want their children to be corrupted by facts at such an early age. Joining us in the studio this evening to discuss is Shelby Elrich, a senior advisor to Premier Kathleen Wynne. Shelby has master's degrees in both mathematics and education. Good to see you, Shelby.
Pleasure to be here, Hank.
Your words. Also joining us this evening, and to be taken every bit as seriously, is concerned parent Doug Furniture. Doug has a Tumblr page, 6 toes, and a mustard stain on his shirt.
Wear it with pride, Hank.
Evidently. Now, Shelby, we begin with you. Now, the new curriculum seems edgy to a lot of folks. I mean, I'm no prude, but long division in grade 3, is this really the right choice for families?
Absolutely. You see, the truth is, Hank, that Canadian students are...
Blah, blah, blah. Noam Chomsky, we get it. You're a commie. Look, here's the straight dope. The Liberal Party's been bought out by the math lobby, and they're coming to corrupt our children 1 decimal point at a time. Wake up, people!
You know, that's a great point, because I like things that are loud.
As I was saying, we believe that if we can teach kids math...
Yeah, well, numbers come from Satan, so...
So, we better prepare them for when they're ready to take math and they're more emotionally and developmentally ready.
You know, a lot of big words in there that I didn't understand, but they were delivered calmly so that I would help out our ratings. Now, Doug, would you care to explain to us why you're so opposed to this new curriculum?
I would, Hank. Look, with fag hag potted liberal yahoos like Shelby over here fail to recognize is that some of us actually honor tradition. You know, I got a lot of very deeply held beliefs about mathematics, and I think it's my right as a parent to teach my children about irrational numbers when I'm good and goddamn ready!
You don't understand that that's just a conversation too many parents are uncomfortable to have.
Well, I don't know why they can't just learn about it the way I did, you know, back in the old boys' locker room while Coach Lawson was out getting drunk in his Camaro.
That's how you learn about irrational numbers.
I don't know, that was French kids.
I still don't understand either one. Good thing you don't have to kiss prostitutes. Moving on. One of the more controversial aspects of the new curriculum is the introduction of algebra in grade 4. Shelby, would you care to explain to us why that is a good idea?
Absolutely. You see, algebra is problem
Look, I'm just gonna say it. We wouldn't even be having this conversation if Kathleen Wynne wasn't a lesbian.
What a soundbite.
What does her sexual orientation have to do with teaching kids the fundamentals of life?
Oh, grow up, Shelby. Now who's being naive? Everybody knows that math is the dykiest things in softball. We have stereotypes in place for a reason. They're true. Look, okay. I gotta show you guys something. And this, I swear to God, this is pulled from the curriculum. I have not altered this in any way. Look at this.
What does that say?
X equals 7.
What does that mean?
You tell me. How can an X equal a 7? It's a letter and a number. I mean, when God makes it...
Listen,
Okay, can I finish? Without a little interruption.
Can you finish?
Anyways, when God makes an X, he makes an X. And when God makes a 7, he makes a 7. They're not one and the same. They can't be the same. So, roll.
Listen, I don't have to sit here and listen to this just because you're functionally illiterate.
Emphasis on functionally. Come at me, you little bitch.
Yes, come on him or at him, whatever.
Listen, Hank, I have something more that I want to say.
Is it shrill, divisive, and devoid of all at once?
No!
Well, then I'm sorry we're out of time. Coming up next, some people who think they know what's going on in Syria will call each other retards for 6 minutes. But first, here's the same Swiffer commercial 3 times in a row.